Hello, welcome back to Luo English Dictionary. My name is Nikki and today we are going to be learning about nature. Happy New Year, by the way.
So today we learn about nature and things you can find outside of your house. So let's start with leaves, okay? Now these are leaves, see that? That's a leaf, and leaves are called oboke.
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 Now if you have one, you just say oboke.
Oboke.
Now this, you see this is oboke, but it is wilting. It's changing color.
Yes.
So if it's dry, you say oboke ma otuo.
Oboke ma otuo.
So this is oboke ma otuo.
Oboke ma otuo.
But you can get fresh leaves, okay? Fresh leaves are called oboke ma ngich.
Oboke ma ngich.
Oboke ma ngich.
Oboke ma ngich.
So if you have fresh leaves, you say oboke ma ngich. So let's talk about something else.
Rocks.
This here, these are stones. So one stone is called kidi.
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 So this is kidi.
Kidi.
Now if you're throwing a stone, you say abayo kidi.
Abayo kidi.
So bakidi, you have to say abayo kidi.
Oh. Abayo kidi.
Abayo kidi.
Abayo kidi.
I'm throwing a stone. Now,
Kidi.
if you're throwing many stones, then you say abayo kite.
Abayo kite.
Abayo kite. So if all of them, I'm playing all of them, abayo kite.
Kite.
Okay? Bakite.
Abayo kite.
Yes, abayo kite. That is about stones. Let's move on to grass. Grass is called loom.
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 And there is two types of grass. There is loom motua and loom mangich. And mangich means fresh, motua means dry. So loom motua would be something like this. This is loom ma otua. Okay? Loom ma otua.
Loom ma otua.
Loom ma otua.
Loom ma otua.
But now we say loom motua.
Loom motua.
That's called contracting. We contract it to say loom motua. Although we write loom ma otua.
Loom ma otua.
But we say
Loom motua.
loom motua. And I can see birds passing by. Now birds are called winyo.
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 And I think we have a video about birds. So maybe you can check out our video about birds somewhere. Where? Here. Somewhere.
Yeah.
We'll post the video about birds and types of birds. I think we did that a long time ago.
Yeah.
So, loom. Let me show you the grass. The grass. So this is loom.
Loom.
This is loom mangich.
Loom mangich.
Loom mangich.
Loom mangich.
This means, what does it mean?
Fresh grass.
Yes, fresh grass or grass that is still growing on in the garden. So this is all, I know now it's winter, so we don't have a lot of green grass, but this is all grass. This is all grass. Then we talk about trees. Now if you see this, if you look at this area here, these are all trees. Now many trees are called yende.
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 So those are yende. Okay?
Yende.
Now if you want to say those are trees, you say makagin yende.
Makagin yende.
Makagin yende.
Makagin
I think you have to get in the camera and point. Point to the yende.
Makagin yende.
Again?
Makagin yende.
Louder?
Makagin yende.
Yes, makagin yende. But if the tree is next to you, you see like this tree here, this one. This one is next to you here.
Yeah.
You say, this is called a yen.
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 So, you say ma en yen.
Ma en yen.
As you're touching it, you say ma en yen.
Ma en yen.
Ma en yen.
Ma en yen.
Ma en yen maduong.
Ma en yen maduong.
So what does that mean?
This is a very big tree.
This is a very big tree, ma and yen maduong. If you have a small tree that is just starting to grow, like this one here, come on. See like this tree here?
Yes. This one.
So if you have a small tree like this, what do you say?
Ma and yen
Matin,
matin.
as you touch it.
Ma and yen matin.
Louder.
Ma and yen matin.
Ma and yen matin.
Ma and yen matin.
So this is a small tree, ma and yen matin. Okay? If you have the small tree there, but you're far from it, like now you're going to be far from it, stand there, and you're pointing. So point at the tree and you say, macha en yen matin.
Macha and yen matin.
That means that is a small tree, not, you see, when you said ma en yen matin, it means you're next to it and you can touch it. But then you say macha, it means it's far from where you are, okay? Oh, and nature, there is a dog. Dogs are called guok.
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 Macha and guok.
Macha and guok.
Where is it?
He's right here.
Let's look for the dog. Let's look for the dog. Here. Macha and guok.
Macha and guok.
But when you get next to it, get next to it. So when you get next to it, you say
Ma and guok.
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 Amako guok.
Amako guok.
I'm holding the dog, okay? Amako guok.
Amako guok.
Guok ringo.
Guok ringo.
So the dog is running. Guok ringo.
Guok ringo.
So maybe the dog is hungry.
Maybe.
Now, if it's hungry, you would say chal nikech kayo guok.
Chal nikech kayo guok.
So that means perhaps the dog is hungry. Okay?
Perhaps.
Maybe the dog is hungry. Chal nikech kayo guok.
Chal nikech kayo guok.
Yep. There you go. Now, we can also talk about things like flowers. And like this is a flower right here. And flower takes the Swahili name of maua.
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 Yeah, so this is a flower. Ma and maua.
Ma and maua.
Ma and maua.
Ma and maua.
So if you want to pluck the flower from the tree, so the action of plucking is saying pono.
Pono.
Apono maua.
Apono.
Apono maua.
Apono maua.
Louder.
Apono maua.
Oops. Maua ogore piny.
Maua ogore piny.
So the flower is just falling down. Maua ogore piny.
Maua
So
ogore
once
piny.
you pono maua, you can show it. Apono maua means, what does apono maua mean?
I've plucked the flower.
I'm plucking a flower. And then maua ogore piny means the flower just fell down.
Yeah.
Okay? So show it to them and say ma and maua.
Ma and maua.
Marakwar.
Marakwar.
Remember color?
Yes.
So this is a red. Oh, this is not red. I don't know.
Pink.
This is pink. I don't know which pink. I don't know what color pink is. But if it were red, you would say ma and maua marakwar.
Marakwar.
Okay? This is a red flower. I don't know what that is. If maybe you know the color, please let us know what pink is. So let's say you're walking and then you see a flower. So you say aneno maua.
Aneno maua.
I have just seen a flower, okay? Aneno maua marachar.
Aneno maua marachar.
That means I have seen a white flower. Aneno maua marachar. Enkanye, where is it?
Enka.
Enka. It is here. Enkanye.
Enka.
Enka. Apono maua marachar. Say that.
Apono maua marachar. Maua
Ogore piny.
ogore piny.
Show them.
Maua
Ma
marachar.
and maua marachar.
Ma and maua marachar.
Again.
Ma and maua marachar.
Ma and maua marachar.
Ma and maua marachar.
Good. So sometimes you want to talk about soil, and soil is called Luo.
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 So this is soil, okay? This is soil, and that is Luo.
Luo.
Ma and Luo.
Ma and Luo.
Ma and Luo marakwar.
Ma and Luo Maraqua.
This is red soil, okay?
Red.
Yeah, I'm just giving examples.
Okay.
This is red soil, Ma and Luo marakwar.
Ma and Luo Maraqua.
So if it is black soil, you say Ma and Luo marateng.
Marateng.
And then roots. Where do we get roots?
I don't know.
We are looking for roots. I hope we get some. Now roots are called tiayen.
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 So here, see here? Ma and tiayen.
Ma and Tiayen.
Louder. Ma and tiayen.
Ma and Tiayen.
Again.
Ma and Tiayen.
So that's the root of this tree here. Remember tree was called what? Yen.
Yen.
Tree was called?
Yen.
Yen. And many trees?
Yen.
Yende.
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 Sometimes you have a tree that has been cut down. So like this is a tree stump. So you'd say yen ma ongadi.
Yen ma ongadi.
Yen ma ongadi.
Yen ma ongadi.
So a tree that has been cut is called yen ma ongadi. But now because this is a tree stump, you'll say tie yen ma ongadi.
Tiayen ma ongadi.
Tie yen ma ongadi.
Tiayen ma ongadi.
Tie yen ma ongadi.
Tiayen ma ongadi.
Yes, that is a tree stump that has been chopped like this one.